Today we're struggling with the weather conditions. Heavy downpours, a lot of mud, slippery terrain. The crews are working out and continue to stop and regroup as it continues to downpour, which is a challenge for us today. Now we're going to head up to check in with the family who has a grandfather who's severely ill with his back and hasn't been able to utilize his electrical bed in 6 months. Gentleman's in his late 80s, fairly elderly, and in a lot of excruciating pain. I'm going to come in and check with them, make sure they're okay, make sure they don't need anything, and see what we can do to reassure them and make sure that they are comfortable for now until we get the lights on. We're confident that within the next couple hours we'll be able to get this family back up and running to normalcy.
Unos amigos a visitarte, sí, mira, entra adelante.
So as you can see, he's pretty much bound to this chair pretty much all day, every day, as his bed behind you doesn't work even with the generator. He has severe back problems, which the bed helps him adjust his back. And this is where he's been sitting for the last 6 months with no electricity. So hopefully we'll get that taken care of in the next day or so. ¿Verdad? Vamos a prender la luz. A prender la luz.
Bueno, eso está, se lo dejan.
58 years married.
Yeah. And he's a wonderful husband, a beautiful person, wonderful father of all the children.
This is my wife, Carmen. We live here. We try to help the more we can. So sometimes we come in to help Juanche, to take a shower, to clean the patios and everything. Without power is no easy because he needs the bed, he needs the chair, but everybody, this is like, you know, the family, everybody helped here.
And his identification, he worked for 20 years.
Okay, perfecto. I got it. 15 minutos, okay, good. I got it. Thank you, Jonathan. He said in 10 or 15 minutes he's going to be here.
Tanto tiempo.
Sí, 6 meses, ¿verdad?
Baño iba para 6 meses. Ay, mira, lo están subiendo.
Ahora vamos a ver cuando nos den.
Say thank you.
Bravo, Antonio.
Dile gracias. Antonio. Casi tenemos power, almost power here. Happy? ¿Estás contento?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everybody's on. Hello, everybody. Nice, man. Oh, yeah.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
Absolutely.
God bless you, man. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Everything good? I get it. Thank you so much.
It's like a born again, bro. Trust me. Thank you.
How many days? How many days?
Almost 6 months.
6 months.
Thank you so
Good buddy.
much.
Antonio? Ah, I know your name, Antonio. He's like, how do you know that?
Say, oh,
Okay.
I did.
Come on already. I didn't know that was your son. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ellos fueron los que trabajaron en eso. Gracias a Dios, ¿verdad?
Gracias a Dios. Entonces,
Ajá.
eso también
Ahora podemos subir la cama, Juanche y todo.
está.
Es más fácil, ¿verdad?
Oh, it's great to know. We take for granted at home. For here, these people are just, they're incredible. They're happy that we can make them happy. We get their power on us. It's hard to put into words.